In today's video, I will walk you through how to add smooth, slow motion effect in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. You can open CapCut on your computer by visiting the official CapCut website or launching the CapCut PC app. And once you are inside the editor, you will have access to all the speed and editing tools needed to create smooth, cinematic, slow motion effects for your videos. This type of effect is commonly used in cinematic edits, travel clips, sports footage, and social media content because it helps emphasize movement and adds a more dramatic and professional feel. To begin, import the video you want to edit and drag it into the timeline so it is ready for adjustment. Once your clip is placed, click on it to make sure it is selected, since all speed changes will only apply to the active clip. With the clip highlighted, go to the top section of the editor and find the speed option on the right side, which is where you control how fast or slow your video plays. Reducing the speed will already slow the footage down, but doing it this way alone can sometimes make motion look less natural or slightly choppy. To get a smoother and more professional result, move into the curve option instead of only using basic speed control. Inside the curve section, you will see different preset speed transitions that allow the video to gradually shift between normal speed and slow motion instead of changing instantly. Choose a preset that matches the style of your edit, so the movement feels more natural and cinematic. After applying the curve, you can refine the effect further by using the smooth slow motion feature. This tool helps improve motion clarity and reduces any uneven or jittery movement that may appear when slowing down footage. Once selected, you will see processing options that affect the quality and smoothness of the final result. And choosing a higher quality option can give you cleaner motion, although it may take a bit more time to process depending on your video length. After confirming your settings, let CapCut process the effect fully before moving on. When it is finished, preview your video to check the final result, and make sure the motion looks consistent and visually smooth throughout the clip. The slow motion should now feel more cinematic and professionally edited instead of just slowed down footage. And that is how you create a smooth, slow motion effect in CapCut PC using speed controls, curve adjustments, and smooth processing tools.